Hey guys, we are on our way to Red Rock Maintenance Headquarters, which is in Coboconk, Ontario. It's about an hour away from where I live. And Scott and I have been talking through Instagram for probably over a year or so, and I've been trying to get up to meet him and ask him some questions and advice, and today's the day. Today is November 19th, and I'm super excited, so we'll tune in when we get there. Hey guys, we're just up at Red Rock Maintenance here, headquarters on Shadow Lake in Coboconk, and we're just testing out the walker mower right now. We got Craig from Thirsty's Lawncare on the walker mower, and we got Scott over here doing a Facebook Live or something. I don't know what he's doing.
Hey guys, it's Scott from Red Rock Maintenance. This is Tom from Lawncare. We got the funny farm over here from Peterborough.
Can you even see me in the video?
No, come on in the shoot here. Get the frame. There it is.
We don't know what we're doing today. We're just here going to ask each other questions about businesses. Tom's trying to make it serious and say, what are we going to do? I'm like, who cares? Let's just roll with it.
Who cares? So
here we are. So Tom, where are you from?
I'm from Buckhorn, Ontario.
Where are you from, Greg?
Peterborough.
Okay. And everybody knows I'm from Coboconk. Everybody's been to Coboconk and to the Patty House. Alrighty, who wants to ask the first question or second question?
How much do you guys make per year?
I can take that. Don't answer question.
That. Well, we already know how much Scott makes. He's got these big machines. And...
Yeah.
Well, I don't make enough.
He's running $1 million business. No.
Yeah, let's ask the first question to Tom. Let's ask him something.
Right. How long have you been in business for?
Officially, this would be my first year, but unofficially 4 years.
And why did you start Lawncare?
Honestly, I just like mowing lawns. I like
Wait, you people like mowing lawns?
Yeah, it's fun.
Wow, I didn't know that.
It's a good time.
How long have you been in business, Greg?
Officially, I'd say 8 years. Yeah.
And veteran.
Yeah. Big veteran.
Nice.
And yeah, I thought I liked mowing lawns until this year.
What happened this year?
Because I was mowing like 90 lawns a week, and you just kind of lose that excitement. I'm gonna go back to mowing like 60 myself, and yeah.
So you're dropping lawns?
I don't know. Yeah, maybe dropping your way.
You're dropping lawns. Yeah.
Somebody wants to buy them. Don't just let them buy them.
Yeah, that's right. What about you, Scott? How long have you been in business?
I think I've been in business for 8 years, and before that I was in five years with another business. Then we broke up. So I've been in business for a long time, longer than I ever thought I would be doing it.
Yeah.
Yes.
I think I've learned a lot from Scott this year. Like, just seeing like the bigger jobs he's doing, like on the Monday to Wednesday kind of. So like that's one of my things in the winter is almost like watch Scott's videos on window cleaning and like maybe do that with my business as well.
Wait, you actually learned something from me?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that's a win.
There you go.
Yeah.
All right, so what equipment do you have, and why did you buy that specific brand?
So I've got the residential grade, the MX5000 made by Toro, and I went with Toro, to be honest, just because I've been a Hemming customer my whole life, and that's what they sell in zero turns, so that's what I went with and ended up loving it.
Nice. Craig, why do you run what you run?
Yeah, kind of the same idea. Like Hemmings is the main Toro dealer in Peterborough, and it's close to my house. I ended up buying pretty much all Stihl equipment as well because just I knew I could early on in the business, if things break, I didn't know how to fix them, so you could just go to the dealer and yeah.
Nice.
It's hard to leave a brand once you I don't know if I'd go ahead and buy another brand more.
Why do you run Walker?
Because they're the best. What a dumb question that was. They are the best mower ever. And if you ride a Walker, you know it. No,
I've now ridden a Walker, and I don't know if they're the best mower.
Yeah, well, the reason I bought a Walker was when I first started out, we had a John Deere residential, me and my cousin, and it was not bad, but I kept on seeing this weird looking mower around. Like, what is that thing? So I started researching and found it was a Walker mower, and that was my goal, to buy a Walker mower. Ever since I saw one, I didn't even try one, I just wanted one. So that's how I ended up buying a Walker, and I've never looked back. And yeah, I run walkers, and then the push mowers I have a Lawn Boy commercial that my parents had in the trailer park here. It's been going forever, and I bought a residential Honda 3 years ago. It's a piece of crap. Don't buy one. I want to buy a commercial push mower next time. And actually, not push mower, a self-propel. I'm not push mower. It's self-propel. I should.
Don't worry, Scott. We know you run walker because it's
How
brought
can
up a
you
lot.
not?
And I'm surprised you have a son. I'm surprised you didn't call him like Walker.
Yeah.
I don't think my wife would let me do that.
What about trimmers? What do you guys run for trimmers?
Trimmers, I run all steel, except for last year I bought an Echo SRM 3020, and that thing is a beast. I love it. It's so good. How about you guys?
What about you?
Yeah, I have steel as well. I had like the 90R, a couple of those, until one of them kind of aged enough, and then now I got a couple 94Rs, and they run well.
So when you say age, do they age just like you, or age better?
They probably age better. Yeah. Yeah.
Nice.
And what about you?
Oh, I just run the 56, the steel 56, so still more of a residential grade.
And it's holding up for you.
I've put hundreds of hours on that thing, and
Nice.
like cutting 4 feet long grass in it.
Yeah, you
just
use like
rips right through it too.
you use like a little bit heavier duty line.
I use the carbon fiber .095.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you find that? I found that stuff really expensive.
Yeah, but you use a lot less of it.
Really?
Because even on chain link, it doesn't eat it
No.
up. Like I can go like days without redoing a spool.
I thought I bought one time. Or I bought one time because there are other stuff I buy, and I didn't like it.
Oh, I love it. I'll
Really?
never go back.
Oh,
That's
Yeah.
what I do find.
Yeah.
Like that's what you can buy a smaller trimmer and just put a little beefier trim line on it, and it
Yeah,
makes
just
it up for it.
Oh.
Yeah.
maybe you should try that stuff again.
Too bad they didn't have like Walker trimmers.
Yeah, they don't. I don't think it'll be very good. Or maybe it would. I don't know. 'Cause of course, anything Walker makes is fantastic.
Yeah, he'd really like a sponsorship, by the way, Walker. Okay.
Yeah. So what's your guys' plans for the winter?
Winter time, I'm going to sit down and do absolutely nothing this year. Well, actually, I'm going to look after my daughter 3 days a week, and she's in daycare 2 days a week. My son is in school. I was going to teach skiing, but with the whole COVID thing, with the restrictions and whatnot, I'm not going to do that. I can't put up with that. So I'm just going to hopefully maybe do some more videos and hopefully not go insane. Yeah.
I still work full time, as some of you may know, so I'll keep doing that, and then I'm looking at taking it full time in the spring.
Yeah, he's not
So
looking at it. He's going to.
I'm prepping it. I'm
Yeah.
prepping. That's why I'm here, to talk to these veterans here in
Yeah.
the industry. So
Veterans.
I'm just picking their brain today for the last few hours.
I didn't
so.
know you thought I was that old. Yeah, and for my winter, I'm just doing a small amount of snow removal. I kind of downsized my snow removal this winter because I just want to enjoy life a little more. And
You're going hardcore with that last year.
yeah,
Man.
yeah. But I'm just using the snowblower, so the snowblower still break down, and it still takes time and just long days when you do get out there.
Nice.
Like you
And
do
cold
get
sucks.
yeah,
Yeah.
you do get a lot of time off. Like we're lucky that way. It's just.
So for your snowblowing, are you doing contracts or are you doing pay per?
Yeah, everybody
Sorry.
pays me up front contract,
Nice.
and I tried to base it off so many snowfalls I'm gonna have to clean up. Last year I kind of based it on like 16 or 17.
So what you're
cleanups.
telling me is you're a fortune teller and you can tell how many snowfalls are going to be.
Yeah,
You're
try.
good.
This year I added on a couple more snowfalls because it was a little close last year.
Well, I think last year by this time we already had lots of snow in November, and this year we've had very, very little. So
Fingers crossed.
interesting. All right, guys. So before we do any more questions, Tom has a YouTube channel. Go subscribe to him. Get
Here's
him
the
as
plug.
many subscribers as me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well and like the video.
I have a YouTube channel, but it's got 2 videos.
Hey, go watch those 2 videos.
There you go.
Thirsty's Lawncare.
There you go. Awesome.
I mean, Toby, your videos are great, but I don't know why you're wearing sunglasses in your videos. I can't see your face.
You're
I
so
know. Brian always
nonchalant,
talks about
Scott.
it too.
We gotta plan it
Okay.
out.
Hands in the pockets, or what are you doing?
Whatever. Okay, guys.